Hello everyone, and welcome back to Hobbyist Artist. Today we're drawing one of the most iconic villains in comic book history, the Joker. Known for his unforgettable grin and unpredictable personality, the Joker has become one of the most recognizable characters in pop culture. We'll create this drawing using simple pencil techniques, making it easy for beginners while also including details that experienced artists can enjoy. Let's begin with the outline of the head. Don't worry about making every line perfect on your first attempt. Use light pencil strokes so you can erase and adjust as you go. A good sketch always starts with patience. Next, we move on to the facial structure. The Joker's face is long and angular, which helps create his sinister appearance. Pay attention to the sharp jawline and pointed chin, as these features make the character instantly recognizable. Now let's draw the eyes. The Joker's eyes are narrow and expressive, giving him a mischievous and dangerous look. Keep the eyebrows slightly angled to emphasize his confident and chaotic personality. The nose is thin and sharp, fitting the exaggerated comic book style. Once the nose is complete, it's time for the most important feature, the smile. Draw a wide grin stretching across the face, then carefully divide the teeth into even sections. This iconic smile is what truly brings the Joker to life. Next comes the hair. Instead of drawing every strand, sketch the overall shape first, and then add flowing sections to create volume. Dark shading in the hair will produce a strong contrast against the lighter face. Now let's add the ears, neck, and the classic bow tie. These simple additions complete the portrait and make it instantly recognizable as the Joker. With the outline finished, we can begin shading. Start with the darkest areas, including the hair, around the eyes, and inside the mouth. Gradually build the shading instead of pressing hard immediately. Layering graphite gives a much smoother and more professional result. Blend darker and lighter areas carefully to create depth. Even simple shading can transform a flat sketch into a dynamic piece of artwork. As you continue practicing, you'll notice improvements in your proportions, line quality, and confidence. Every drawing is another step toward becoming a better artist. Don't worry if your first attempt isn't perfect, consistent. Practice always pays off. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please support the channel by liking this video and subscribing to Hobbyist Artist. Your support motivates me to create more drawing tutorials featuring superheroes, villains, anime characters, celebrities, and movie icons. Also, let me know in the comments which character you'd like me to draw next. Thank you so much for watching and drawing along with me. Keep practicing, keep creating, and most importantly, never stop enjoying art. I'll see you in the next drawing tutorial. Happy sketching!